Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a text box, columns in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then, firstly, select your text box and go to the object menu. Then go to the text frame option. Now we can see here are general menu. Then click the here are the columns. Click the drop down menu and select fixed number. Then I am make a text box 2 column. Now firstly select the number and here are write 2. Then you can increase top, bottom, left, right easily. Now I'm click OK. Now you can see make a text box 2 column very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.